Right, thank you, Basil. We've had really bad storms just lately, and Storm Doris, has wreaked its havoc yet again. But I got away with everything, but I have now the roof light, which I'd fitted. It comes in like two parts, and it's blown the top part off. So as much as I tried to seal it down and secure it, it wouldn't have any of it, so it's just ripped it away. It's weakened it. It's second hand. It's, you know, it came with a caravan. So what I'm showing you now is a really quick fix that I've had to do because I've measured up and I've been to my local supplier to see about fitting a brand new loft light, but it's it means stripping the whole thing down, and I'm at work tonight, and I'd have to, and the ones they've got are a different size anyway, so I'd have to redo the whole hole again. So what I'm going to do is a quick fix design. I'm just going to show you that of what the idea that I've come up with anyway. So we're going to do that on with Basil. So he's going to sit in the house and just make sure nobody breaks in, aren't you, Basil? And if they did, they'd just step over him and help themselves. So we'll cut to the chase, and I'll show you what I've come up with anyway. All it is a quick fix, and I thought, well, it's an idea I've come up with, so I'll share that with you. So if you come across the same thing yourself, hopefully, maybe that's something you could do as well in the future. Yeah. Okay, let's get to it. Yeah, Baz. Say bye-bye. Yes. Oh boy. The storm is still going out there. This was the bit that was fastened down. Obviously there's a vent system there. So I'm doing a quick fix where I can just put something like a dome over the top of this, just to secure it and make it watertight. Obviously I've lost the inner part here, it's just gone, so I'm going to clean all this off now with this PVC cream cleaner. So once this is all cleaned up, I'll show you where we're up to next. Next thing I'm going to do is get the top, place it over, mark it where I want, because I might drill a little hole just to secure it. Right. I've marked it now. This is the item here. It is actually for a roof light. It's a replacement lid, but a friend let me have it because it's got a little scratch on it and stuff like that. Let me have it cheap. So, you know, beggars can't be choosers, and it creates a repair straight away. So I've marked where I want to put some holes, and obviously I'm going to use a sealant as well. So I'm going to drill these now, get them ready, and then I'm going to offer it up, place it over, mark the spots again. Okay, so we'll do that. Right, using the drill, I've drilled through the corner pieces, and I broke that bit on the end there as well. My fault, my bad. So I've just moved it down that hole there. What I've got is some plastic nuts and bolts. So as I put it down, I'm going to set down a couple of plastic ones into it and bolt them from the other side. Now they are just basically just to nip and hold it in place, just against, you know, so it secures it really. The sealant will obviously create the watertight, but that will just be the pit, you know, that just goes in just to stop against, you know, obviously driving, high winds and stuff like that. So painstakingly I drilled through and just kept drilling with a bigger drill and a bigger drill and a bigger drill, and really using the drill on quite a slow speed as well, so do bear that in mind if you're drilling through perspex. So that's done. So I'm going to nip up on the roof now and just mark that piece there. So pen in hand, off I go. I'm going to lift that up now. I'm going to get under there and fasten these. So I'm going to go up onto the roof because I'm a bit of a hero like that. Okay, here we go. Right, that was it. Quickly done. The battery's going to go on my camera, so basically, look, that was a temporary fix. It's just somewhat to get it through the storm season and saves me having to strip the whole thing down and completely fit a new roof vent. So that's it. That was another quick fix, quick repair. So if you're faced with anything like this, then do that. So anyway, please subscribe, follow things. Next month, well rather after March, we're going to France, so look out for those videos. We're going to France, we're going to Vimy Ridge, and we're going to Ypres as well. So we're doing a wall walk sort of thing, so that'll be good. Anyway, okay, take care, thank you for watching, and I hope it helped in some way. Okay, cheers. And from Basil, who's just licking himself and doing things. Take care. Alright, see you again. Thank you, bye.